This video is to show you the Ebony latch locking device on this urn. You can see it's embedded into the top, and you simply reach over and it flexes. You can see the gap there. It's glued from about this point down to the bottom to the front. So you simply flex it and push up, and it only needs to come out, well, you can see how much it needs to come out. Just it latches perfectly every time. There it is, and there's no movable slop in the top, and it is strong enough to pick up from the top. Inside we have a divider with two compartments for the ashes to go into.